Okay guys, here is your quick walkthrough on how to do your 6-word memoir. So you've opened up the slide. Keep in mind everyone gets their own slide. So I'm clicking on one. Needs to have your name, your memoir, and a picture. So let's start with Miss King. So my 6 words are curious, because that is me. Will never ever stop being curious. That is me to a T. So at this point, keep in mind, you can also do fun stuff. If you're like, yeah, I really want this to look different, find yourself a font and go kind of crazy here. Normally I will say, do not go crazy with your fonts, because I want to be able to read things, but you know what? This is a good time. And I like that one. Probably make it bolder and all that fun stuff, but caveat, bold. Ooh. All right, do this one. Okay. Alright. Do things kind of crazy here. Alright, also in terms of finding a image, what you want to do is go up to Insert, okay, and do Image. Go ahead, search the web here. Although if you really want to do camera, I guess you could put a picture of yourself, but let's do a image search. So I will go here. Let's see. I don't really want that. Okay. I don't know what all that goes to, so I'm going to go with curiosity. Ooh. Quotes. Okay. I might want to put that in. Or, you know what? I'm going to just do curiosity. I do like that curiosity rover. Let's see. Let's do, yeah, this one works for me. Okay, so I've selected. I go Insert. Okay, so keep in mind with ones like these, either you can shrink it down so it's not covering your words, or if you want it to kind of be your backdrop, click on this, make sure your picture is selected, and you go up to Arrange. You're going to do Order and Send to the back. Okay? So then you'll see that I'm going to have to definitely make that a different color. Something like that. Okay, so if you want it to be your backdrop, you're going to have to send it to the back. So remember, do the picture, Arrange, Order, Send to back. Okay, so that's what you want to do. And everyone does their own. All right, that's it, guys.